In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove green screen in GIMP. If you've filmed something against a green background and want to isolate your subject, this quick method in GIMP will make the background transparent so you can place your subject over any scene later. Start by opening GIMP. When it launches, you'll see the toolbox on the left and the Layers panel on the right. Now, go to File at the top, choose Open, and pick the image with the green screen background. Once it appears on your canvas, look to the Layers panel and make sure you see your image listed there as a single layer. Before removing anything, right-click that layer and choose Add Alpha Channel. This is important. Adding an alpha channel tells GIMP that this layer can have transparency. Without it, deleted areas would turn into a solid color instead of becoming see-through. If you notice that Add Alpha Channel is grayed out, that means it's already enabled and you're good to go. Next, select the Select by Color tool. You can find it in the toolbox or use the shortcut Shift+O. Unlike tools that select by area, this one looks at color values across the entire image, which is perfect for grabbing that uniform green background in one go. With the tool active, click directly on the green background in your image. You'll see a selection outline appear, often called marching ants. This tells you that GIMP has selected all the pixels similar to the green you clicked, even if they're in different parts of the image. Now press the Delete key on your keyboard. Instantly, the green should disappear, revealing a gray and white checkerboard pattern. That checkerboard is GIMP's way of showing transparency, meaning there's no background there anymore. If pressing Delete doesn't seem to work, or the background turns white instead of checkerboard, double-check that you added the alpha channel earlier. It's common to see a few greenish edges around fine details like hair or translucent objects. That usually happens when the background contains slightly different shades of green or reflective spill on your subject. The core removal is complete, though, and you now have a transparent background ready to be used in composites or other designs. And that's it. You opened your image, enabled transparency with an alpha channel, selected the green across the whole image using Select by Color, clicked the background, and deleted it to reveal transparency. With these simple steps, you can quickly key out a green screen in GIMP and get your subject ready for whatever creative project comes next.